If you have any hopes in sync licensing, don't lease your beats, don't buy your beats. Music supervisors won't touch you. Here's why. You may talk to the producer and buy the beat. You may think you have the rights, but here's the problem. There's sonic recognition software. And what if 5 other artists also license that same beat and they don't chop it up and they don't really alter it? And now like someone's Shazamming it. It's essentially Shazam, but internal software that some of these companies use. And now all 5 songs pop up or get flagged, or YouTube flags it, or the supervisor flags it. Now they're like, well, what song is this? Do you actually have the rights? The publisher of that other song may come after you. They might say, oh, we didn't give you the rights to this. This uses one of our samples. And you're like, but I leased the beat. The producer's probably ignorant and they don't really realize that they can't sample songs. So you're going to get flagged for that. Or 2, you may think you own the beat, but that producer licensed the beat to 10 other artists or 100 other artists. And now, even though you think you licensed the beat, another artist put that song out first, registered it first, and now they have the first use of that copyright, and now that's registered, and now that's signed to a publishing company, and now that publishing company is going to be going after you and that label, and on and on and on. Music supervisors don't have time to deal with this. They don't want to deal with this. They are not going to touch artists that lease beats. So my recommendation is, if you have any hope in the sync licensing game, you need to get your productions, your music needs to be created from scratch from someone you trust and you know personally. Don't license beats for sync.